Welcome back to a new video. Today I'm sharing 3 mixed media tags with a Brusho background. I have already applied gesso to my tags with a palette knife. I create the background using Brushos and a water spray bottle. Sometimes I go in with a brush to spread the color around. I'm using the new Brushos and Sprinkleit. It's a shimmering powder that adds drops of shimmer and shine to your background. I used the pearl one and the gold. Today I'm using stamps from Visible Image and Viva Las Vegas stamps. I stamp the main images with the Tim Holtz stamping platform. Just because I work on a rough surface, I make sure to get a good impression. Finally, I add some titles to my tags. these are the finished tags. Thank you for stopping by today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!